सो इसमें अब हम लोग लास्ट टॉपिक द सॉइल कंजर्वेशन अब हम लोग पढ़ेंगे। जैसे कि हम लोग ने डिफिनेशन पढ़ लिया, क्लासिफिकेशन, डिग्रेडेशन, इरोजन। सो द लास्ट वन इज soil conservation. So what does soil conservation mean? So it's basically to conserve the erosion of soil. So if we move to the definition, so it's the methodology to maintain soil fertility, prevent soil erosion, and improve the degraded soil condition or degraded condition of soil. So we have seen some of the factors which affects the soil erosion, that is deforestation, and how that affects the erosion. And the second factors which is there is over cultivation. The over cultivation means basically in a particular place what happens, the farmers keep on growing different types of crops in whole period of time. So what happens, जो soil है they do not get efficient time to fertile themselves naturally. So the over cultivation is basically it affects the natural fertility of the soil. And one more factor is over grazing. इन विलेजेस क्या होता है कि लोग किसी पर्टिकुलर एरिया में अपने एनिमल्स को ग्रेज करने के लिए छोड़ देते हैं। दे बेसिकली ग्रेज दैट एरिया एंड दे सिंपली डू नॉट लीव दैट एरिया टू फॉर नेचुरल टू गेन इट्स नेचुरल fertility, and they spoil that area and they basically make it basically what happens in those areas, due to the movement of these animals in that area, the soil gets unbound. The soil gets unbound, and when the wind speed is very small also, this soil gets eroded very easily. And another factor is excessive use of fertilizers. So वही क्या होता है कि अगर वो उस एरिया में the soil don't gain the natural fertility by itself, so they start using extra fertilizers for the cultivation. So this is one of the factor which disturb the ground to gain its natural fertility. And other factors like I already told you, overuse of land for cultivation, and due to the deforestation and all, there is a large amount of erosion. So these are some factors. Because of that, the soil conservation is much important. So in this one more factor is there, is faulty method of cultivation. Faulty methods of cultivation means it basically क्या है कि किसी लैंड में if it is not suitable for cultivation of particular crop, what people do, they applies human technology or can say human machines, and they make that particular soil for the cultivation of that particular crop. So if it is not having the like potash or nitrogen, they simply use the fertilizers, and if it is less rainfall region, they use the irrigation in high amount. So this is about the faulty methods of cultivation. So because of all these factors, we need the soil conservation. For that, we have some of the methods, like we should stop the overgrazing of these lands. So we should have the controlled grazing of lands. जो हाई रेनफॉल वाले रीजन होते हैं, तो सो इफ दे हैव द स्टीप स्लोप, सो इन दैट वन द एरोजन इज सिंपली डन बाय फॉर्मिंग गुली. तो ऐसे रीजन्स में हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, वी कैन मेक द टेरेस्ड लैंड एंड वी कैन डू द कल्टिवेशन इन दिस प्लेसेस. सो इससे क्या होता है कि जो इरेजन की क्वांटिटी है दैट डिक्रीजेस. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ टेरेस्ड फार्मिंग, so we can decrease the erosion of soil and we can conserve it. So terraced farming, we can use like mixed cropping. What does that mixed cropping means? Mixed cropping means basically जो particular land है, so we should not grow one particular crop every time. With this what happens, that particular land gets or can say that particular land will have low fertility for that particular crop. So if we are cropping or cultivating one particular crop, so after few years that land becomes unfertile for that particular crop. So to escape that one, we should do the mixed cropping in that area. So we should not have that particular cropping each and every year. We can do the another cultivation of different crops. And one more point in this is we should leave lands for sometimes, or can say for regular interval, to gain its fertility itself. So जो क्या होता है जो लैंड्स में, if we just leave these lands for some time of period, so they gain its fertility from the atmosphere by itself. So we do not overuse that land for the cultivation. Instead of that, we should give a particular interval of time to gain its fertility from the atmosphere. So we have these 4 points, and the 5th point in that one, that cover cultivation. कवर कल्टीवेशन से मीनिंग है कि इन बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द इरोजन will be less, and very much important and very common, the last point in that one we can write is forestation. So last point in that one we can write as forestation. So growing plants in erosion regions or high erosion regions. So these basically plants, they do lock the soil in their roots, and they avoid the erosion of that soil. So this is all about the soil conservation, and with this we finish the last subtopic, and with this we end our this chapter, the soil. Thank you.